So take two, just gone past the rising sun, and here you are. Here's Worminghall Road for you. Worminghall Road is completely flooded, particularly the entrance to Golders Close. As you can see here, flooded. Luckily I'm in a very high-sided vehicle, so I can actually drive through here, hopefully, down the middle of the road. But this is shocking, absolutely shocking. So I'm sure there's plenty of video of this around elsewhere, but there you can see Church Road also flooded. Not quite sure what the authorities think. Sheldon Road's also flooded down to the shop. So anyway, there's a car coming. Right. So we're also driving up to the shop now, and I'll turn around at the other end. So as you can see, completely flooded.